Hosi for Life, welcome to the channel. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bafethu. Looking at the Kaizer Chiefs that was playing against Zesco, and we have a match playing on Wednesday against Stellenbosch, the only club that gets bullied by Kaizer Chiefs. But anyway, Kolana. Let's go to the defense, Bafethu, of Kaizer Chiefs when they were playing against Zesco. The defense, it was solid, Buffett, even though I saw Amayama breakouts that came in, but the defense was solid. Looking at who Peterson, the way he made sure Uguti Buffett, he doesn't concede any goals. And for now, he's the only number one goalkeeper that is doing all of that. Who doesn't concede goals? He have a lot of matches that he did not concede any single goal, Bafetu. I think we need to appreciate and clap hands for him, Peterson Buffett, because so far he is doing a great job to Kaizer Chiefs to at least try and protect Kaizer Chiefs and protect the image of Kaizer Chiefs. And I was also listening to Usetu Kaze today talking about Peterson. He was commenting about him very well, and he also commented about the players that are not seen on the pitch playing. Abafana Nabo Ikodaro, he said they are still on the injury. And then who is this guy? Bathubane Cross nabo Oaks nabo kuthiwa they are coming back. And then Duprez, they said he was on injury as well. So let's hope bafethu amajita njengoba ebonile ukuthi we are back on winning ways. So let's hope ukuthi nabo they are bringing something, some sort of a good quality game bafethu and scoring goals. Because for now, we really need to score more goals. Looking at Uda Silva, I don't know, Guti, maybe he wanted to score a spectacular goal, or he wanted to make sure that he finishes the keeper, he doesn't catch any ball. But looking at what he did, he was supposed to at least try better. And looking at McCarthy on the left side, McCarthy is doing a lot of great job of it. So even Naomi Kweli, congratulations to Miguel for playing well against Zesco. I didn't see any mistakes. He made sure Guti Bafetu is playing a lot. And then looking at Uvilagazi, the way he spin the boys Bafet, this guy is